Hey, I wanted to have all of this on one clip, but my battery went low and did its own thing. So I also always wash and hang them inside out. So yeah, again, this is I'm sorry, this is Saida, the domestic handmaid of distinction, coming back to you guys live and direct from showing you this is part 2 of showing you how I wash my whites in that awesome. So yeah, so I just wanted to kind of show you how how nice they come out. I did so I always like scrub, do my scrubbing, because you have those deodorant stains depending on what type of deodorant you use. I'm in the midst of looking for a new one, so I'm not using anything in particular right now, so but I do get deodorant stains, especially when you're kind of using those more natural products or whatever. So but yeah, so they came out really good. So some of them are white, some of them are off-white, but they came out really good. This one did not, but it's okay. I'm going to be using it like this anyway. But the pockets, the metal on them went bad. And I think I tried vinegar on them. I'm not sure if I think I did try vinegar on them before, but I'm going to wear this baby anyway because I bought it. But it does have a few like little rust stains on them. I'm just going to chalk it up to, it's part of the character. It's part of the, how when you buy clothes, they say, oh, don't worry. Like when you buy leather or linen, this products and stuff, they say, oh, don't worry about it. It's part of the character of the clothing, or the cloth, or the unique whatever. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that, so that they did come out really nice, and the deodorant stains and stuff like that came out. And a couple of them had like little stains, and I did, scrub those out and whatnot. So yep, that's all. I just wanted to show you that, how I was able to, wash some of these items in that awesome. So, but again, let me know if you use that awesome. Are you use it in a washer? Do you soak it? Do you use it, just hand wash them? Or how are you using that awesome? All right. Well, anyway, this is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaid of distinction, signing out for now. Bye-bye.